Italian pizza. Look at these ingredients. Okay, so we got crust check, sauce check, cheese check, pepperoni check, mushroom check, pepper check, and olive check.
So what do we have here?
So we have some sauces, so I can put on the pizza and some cheese. And we also got cheese down here.
Okay, so what are you making first? Are you gonna make something for Daddy, Mom, or Isabella?
Actually, since I love cold water with ice, I want to go with the drinks first.
With a drink? Okay, what kind of drink? Let's see.
I want to pick apple juice.
Okay.
Bye, orange juice. And bye, bananas. Okay, now we get a cup. What does it work? Okay, now we are gonna do the apple. And guys, do you know something right here? Is we have apple juice and strawberry juice. We have grape juice and orange juice. Now we are just gonna start. So first we will need to make lowest to highest to medium. So medium is 2 parts. Lowest is 1 ice, and then topper is a lot. We have 3 ices. First we got an ice already. Now the apple juice. Now the sign is already in the apple juice. See, it's easy. And if you guys like this toy, just comment. If you want to come to my house to play with it, you can come because I want to show you the address later.
Okay, good. What kind of ingredients do you have for pizza?
We have a lot of ingredients.
Okay. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite ingredient is pepperoni. So we got cheese, and Daddy's going to do the camera a little far. And then we got sauce, and you got mushrooms, peppers, and olives and pepperoni.
Okay.
Now we got spicy buffalo, and now we have sweet and sour sauce and barbecue sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time to begin. So let's check something. Okay. This is the Italian flag. Okay, now I want to call it Italy Domino.
Okay, that's the name of it? Italy. What is it? What was the name?
Italy Domino.
Okay. All right. So how you start your pizza?
So we got one more drink. This time I want to do medium. Okay, I just did medium. Now let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Pasta, eeny, miny, mo, eeny. I'm picking this one. Then I will pick this one. Okay, we're on ice already. Okay, time to make the pizza. First, we will need okay. First, we just put the pizza panel. We got the pizza panel here. Now we just put top crust with cheese. Wait, add sauce on crust. Okay. So we got some sausage. We will wait until the next episode. In the next episode, you can work all on the sauce or the cheese because you love cheese.
You love cheese, Belita.
I do.
You want to do the cheese first, and the pizza's already done already.
I'll get out the odors.
Now we are gonna reset.
It's already. I can believe it.
We
Pick up.
okay. Hello. Do
I'm making
you
the
want
drinks.
some pizza? Okay, I think Roberto or Isabella or anyone wants pizza.
I'm the boss.
Yeah. So Isabella's the boss, so he can do cheese or sauce. What do you want to do first? Make the ingredients or cheese or sauce or anything first.
I want to do the pizza first. I want to put some cheese. No cheese. Yum, yum, yum.
And the pizza's already done already. So Isabella said the pizza is done. Maybe we should make a new one. Maybe we should make a bear. So put the cheese in here. Okay, now let's make a pizza.
I'm gonna put some sauce.
Wait, it's time. It's time. Okay, now just put.
Yum.
Now you put it back.
Then I need this one.
It's sweet and sour sauce.
No. Says no. I don't want this one.
It's sweet and sour sauce. It's spicy.
This one?
It says spicy birth olive.
No, I don't want it. I've eaten no more.
Okay. Now it's time to make the pizza. Bear.
Next, I need to do the drink.
Now 3, 2, 1. Make a pizza. We should make a pizza like this, Isabella. Time to make a pizza, Isabella.
All done. The drink.
I'm making the pizza.
Belita, what kind of drink is that?
Okay, the pizza's all done.
Apple juice.
Apple juice? Okay.
Look at this delicious pizza. It's all done.
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, now we're just gonna leave it there. And now he's doing Isabella's. And now I can do this. Here we go. Wow!
I see your chicken's ready.
Yeah, now we're gonna eat pizza for lunch.
Mm-hmm.
No, I mean for a little snack.